So, being an OB presentation, introduce presenter, name, role, portfolio, favorite or weak memory. What are we doing today? Good question. Here's the plan. We'll know some of the long-term benefits that with becoming an OV, understand your role as an upper role model. This line is wrong. In the representation of University SD and OV, purpose of the OV, what are we doing today, overview of the day. To welcome new students and help them feel home in their first week here and to give them the opportunities and information they need. Be prepared for life with so many errors. Orientation with objectives. Incident reports. Hours and location for Branion Plaza. What? Why do I have this? That's a wrong presentation. Cash training, selling things, community protocols. I need it for at least 5 minutes. Orientation volunteers and event planners may come to you to fill out an incident report. It is your responsibility to understand how the form work, and you should keep it in a safe place for the O team. If you don't know whether a report should be filled out, follow the flowchart that can be found at the back of box office binder. Hours and location. This year we have Branion Plaza location daily. Know the hours of box office, Saturday, Sunday. If it rains, box office moves to UC Courtyard but not elevators. O team will personally notify you when the schedule is in effect. Tickets will be sold from the Branion Plaza box office. Following are the events that you will be selling tickets for: the IATSE dance, the Hypnotis show, curtain call production, selling tickets. Remember to give students details about highlighted events, update the information board and keep it organized, distribute materials to OVFs, work professionally with the campus groups to ensure that their tickets are sold correctly and their money is tracked with 100% accuracy. Keep track of cash box and keep it organized. I'm sorry, I'm just saying random stuff because I'm doing like screen recording and seeing if it actually uploads. And just telling how weird this is. Each different event will have its own cash box. Box office OVs are to sell tickets and maintain ledgers of information for each ticket sold. Okay, cash training at table. Hypnotis show will have one cash box, contains 50 tickets and a float. Fill out the ledger. IATSE dance will bring their own cash box. The start of each day contains X tickets and a float. Fill out the ledger with the appropriate information on the table. Community mall. Okay, this is awkward.